Hey guys, it's Prissy. Welcome back for another video. This one is all about this red hair color, guys. No matter what video I post, there is always someone in the comment asking about the color of my hair. Now, I have posted the details and everything on Instagram about my hair, but I don't think I posted it on YouTube. So I decided to give you guys a dedicated video about how I get my hair this color. And I'll also give you guys a little bit of a backstory on how I kind of transitioned into this color. My hair was jet black at one point, and then it had some blonde and caramel highlights in it. And then I went into another direction, which was red, which I absolutely love. Like, this was the best decision I could have made. So I'm very excited about this video, excited to tell you guys what hair color I use, how I achieved the hair color. Before we jump into the video, I do want to give you guys a disclaimer. Now, y'all know I love to experiment on my hair, my clothes, my home. I'm just a DIYer. So my hair, no exception, okay? So I am not a professional at all. This is just something that I found that works for my hair, and I absolutely love it. And I just want to show you guys. So if you choose to use it, go seek professional advice or consultation before you use it, because you're not finna blame me, okay? Okay. For the supplies, we're going to need L'Oreal High Color Highlights in the color red, and we're also going to need the hair color in magenta. As for developer, I like using a cream developer by Salon Care. I get this in a 10 volume and a 40 volume. I'll explain why later in the video. You'll also need a brush applicator. I have two since I'll be using two different hair colors. Processing caps are a must, or you can just use a plastic grocery bag. Your girl has done that too. Gloves, because we don't want to ruin our nails or hands. Mixing bowls. I use these plastic bowls from the Dollar Tree. They've been working just fine for me. The last thing you'll need is petroleum jelly. This will protect your neck, ears, and any skin from staining. First, I'm going to start by adding each hair color to a bowl. The reason I like to use two different hair colors is because I prefer my roots to be a little darker than my tips, so I like it to look a little bit ombre, if that makes any sense. Next, we'll be adding the cream developer to each bowl of hair color. Next, I'll be adding the cream developer to each bowl of hair color. Starting with the 10 volume, I'm going to add 4 ounces of this to the red hair color. I'm using this old 4-ounce bottle to help me with measuring today. Normally, I would just eyeball it. Taking the 40 volume developer, I'm going to add 4 ounces to the magenta hair color. The reason I'm using 2 volumes of developer is because they both serve a different purpose. The 40 volume is stronger, so I use that on the darkest parts of my hair, like my roots. The 10 volume isn't as strong and won't lift as much, so I use it on the portion of my hair that is already red, but faded out a bit. I like using a plastic spoon to mix the hair color with the developer. I did forget to mention the spoons earlier, but everything will be listed below in the description box. I do like to let the hair color sit for a few minutes before applying it to my hair. Now, as you can see, my hair is already red, but girl, it is so faded and dull, and I have lots of new growth. I like to start by separating my hair into sections. That makes it a lot easier for me to apply the color. Using the petroleum jelly, I'll be applying this all around the perimeter of my hair. This will help decrease the amount of staining from the dye, if any. I always start with the magenta since that is the base of my red hair. I use this color on my sides, back, and any new growth. All I'm doing is applying the color in small sections until that area is covered, and then I move on to the next. Once I get to the top section, I start alternating between both colors, magenta on my roots and red on my tips. After all of the color is applied, I put on a processing cap for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I go back and ensure the color is processing by checking my roots and redistributing the color throughout my hair. I then sit for another 5 minutes, no plastic cap this time. I rinse, shampoo, and condition my hair, and here are the results after I styled it. This style is called a coil and go, so if you're interested, click the card above and it'll take you right to the tutorial. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Comment below letting me know what color is your hair right now and why did you watch this video. Are you interested in changing your hair color? If so, what color you getting, sis? Let me know down in the comments. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. We're not gonna look all back here because I ain't edged myself up yet because I ain't planned on shrimp. But you know, y'all get it. Okay. Y'all know I know how to edge myself up, so I'm gonna let y'all see. It looks so good. Y'all see all that hair growth? The last time y'all saw me, I probably was shaved on the sides, had a little bald head and all kind of stuff, girl. But you see my hair growth. Like, this makes me super excited. So I will not be cutting it for a while. I want it to get bigger and bigger. Hence the name Big Red. I don't know if you guys knew that here on YouTube, but I do call my hair Big Red. Anyway, y'all, I'm just rambling. Bye.